So what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So let's start with a scary but real scenario. So you spend for example, you spend 6 months locked in a room writing 10,000 lines of flawless code for a groundbreaking mobile application. You launched it on the App Store. The same 3 days later, a massive tech corporation copies your exact user interface and borrows your logic and launches a clone with $1 million marketing budget. Now tell me, are you legally protected? Who actually owns the right to your logic? So today we are talking these heavy legal concepts and translating them into simple English using real world IT examples and try to drop a hello in the comment and let me know let me know where you are tuning from, and let's dive right now. Our first segment will be Quickfire IPR. So IPR stands for Intellectual Property Rights. The definition for our techies. Okay. So for this segment, all right. So let's start with a lightning fast breakdown of core concepts. So let us see what is a patent. Okay. So think of it as a government issued no trespassing and sign over a physical tech invention. So now let me write the particular topic name. So this is our segment one. This is our segment. This is our segment one. Quick fire IPR. So which stands for intellectual property rights, and we will see fundamental definitions about this for our techies community. So among that, first and foremost definition will be, so what is a patent? So let me copy and paste the definition over here. So coming to the definition to intellectual property rights and importance. So simple, like intellectual property rights are legal rights so given to the people over the things they create using their minds. As I said in the introduction, so they give the creator the power to stop anyone else. So this gives the creator the power to stop anyone else So from what? From using their work without permission. So without your permission, if they're trying to copy copy anything copy anything of your particular what you own, so that's so for that particular process will be stopped by intellectual property rights. Okay, so for a set of, like not for lifelong, for a set period. So there will be some set period, so that will be discussed later in detail in coming steps. And now why it, now let us know why it matters. So first and foremost is nothing but it encourages innovation. So if any particular thing, if everyone is encouraging the innovations, so it rewards creators, so by having intellectual property rights, it encourages innovation. So it rewards creators financially. If anyone want to use their particular logic, so that particular creator has to be financial has to be rewarded financially. So it encourages innovation with the rewarding creators financially, and even giving these tech companies a reason. So by giving the tech companies a reason to invest money into researching new ideas. So if when tech companies want to invest their money, so for working on the new ideas, so this particular intellectual property rights safeguards the particular tech companies for investing their money into research and development for researching new ideas. Is the first matter. And second matter is nothing but it protects brands. It protects brands. So we have several brand companies in and around us. So for protecting brands, this particular intellectual property rights are going to be used. And it helps software houses. So we have software houses such as Microsoft, Google, and etc. So to protect their brands, this particular intellectual property rights safeguards them for building a reputation without worrying about copycats. So for building their reputation without worrying about copycats. So is there any competitive company want to copy their particular logic? Okay, this particular intellectual property rights will build their reputation without worrying about copycats. And even next matter will be it helps the customers. So even customers can also be protected in other manner. So how it stops fake brands who are trying to replicate their particular try to replicate their product. Okay, so if they have intellectual property right on their particular product, so it helps customer by stopping fake brands. And even it ensures buyers nothing but customers who are buying the products, it ensures buyers knowing they are getting. So even customers can even customers are buyers can able to know they are getting genuine software or product and hardware for their usage. And next is nothing but it grows the economy. So even it grows the economy. So how it is going to grow the economy. So when they are when you are getting a new ideas, so this new ideas can able to turn into assets. When it is going to be materialized, it is going to become an asset, so that they can able to bought they can able to so customers can able to bought the particular product, and even companies can able to sell the product. And even if not only internally in the particular country, they can able to export to other countries also for to share them globally with an intellectual property right. So instead of copying instead of copying the product in anywhere of the globe, so it can able to give the right to the particular brand to share their particular product globally with safeguarded rights of there. So coming to this is the definition, basic definition. Let us break down in terms of tech related. In tech tech related with an example. Let me break down this with a tech related example. So think of IPR. Think of IPR, what we're discussing right now. This particular IPR is for is will be foundation. It will be foundation. So there will be like companies. There will be companies. There will be companies such as Microsoft or Adobe. Okay. For these companies, this particular IPR will be the foundation. IPR will be the foundation. The IPR foundation. These particular companies are going to be built. Okay. So if anyone could really if anyone could really copy Windows or Photoshop software sold by Windows operating system sold by Microsoft, and Photoshop was sold by Adobe. Okay, so they are selling it for dollars, and if Microsoft or Adobe would go bankrupt. Okay, if they stop updating their softwares, they can able to bankrupt. When they are updating the software, so for each and every update, so they are going to have intellectual property rights to safeguard the to uh, give them give them the safety to hire thousands of developers to build new tools. So like they will train particular employees, but so for the particular employees who are trained, they cannot able to replicate in other organizations. This particular IPR safeguard Microsoft and Adobe for hiring thousands of developers to build new tools. So for updating these developers are updating those particular things, but end of the day, these developers cannot able to share the particular core logic with other companies. Even other companies cannot able to should not use those particular same logic in their particular products. So said this particular intellectual property safeguard Microsoft and Adobe. And next, so next will be write the different types of IPR. Let us see how many types of IPRs are there. Okay. So the main types of intellectual property protections are, one is patent. So coming to patent is nothing but, so when there is a new and useful physical invention, so this particular patent will be applicable for only new and useful physical inventions or technical systems. If they're developing any particular like electronic or mechanical systems, so this particular patent will be applicable. And coming to copyrights will be part of IPR for creative written material and media and code. So such as documents, coming to media like audio, video, music. This all comes under media and code. Coming to code, so like particular logic written will also have copyright. And next will be trademarks for brand names. for Microsoft brand name. So for Microsoft, like for technology companies, for technology company, like in technology company, Microsoft will be a brand. Okay, so no, like this particular brand name cannot be used for textile or for like aviation or any other industries. One particular domains, a brand name should not be used in other businesses brand names, okay, and logos also. So with respect to Microsoft, will have window logo. So window logo will be belongs to the similar, like the symbol, the particular window symbol used by Microsoft will belongs to only Microsoft tech company. So that particular logo cannot be used in any other business companies. And catchphrases. Catchphrase is nothing but, like for example, LG. So the catchphrase will be "life's good." So this particular "life's good" catchphrase phrases will be belongs to only LG. So no other brand cannot able to use this catchphrases. So for safeguarding brand name, logos, and catchphrases, so they will register trademarks. And next, coming to trade secrets. Trade secrets. This trade secrets will be for hidden. So no one will reveal their particular trade secrets. So these particular trade secrets are valuable business data. These are valuable business data for few businesses. These particular trade secrets are very important for like food industries or any particular like soft drink industries, or any particular food, like basically state secrets are more valuable for food industries or beverages. Okay, so like basically recipes, they will have the state secrets with them. They will not reveal for anyone. They will not reveal to the world about their trade secrets. And coming to industrial designs. So for like this industrial design is a for a physical visual look of manufactured item. So blueprint. So no one will give their blueprint for any particular vendor or any particular buyer. So they own this particular blueprint for their internal purpose only. They can give the particular, they can give the particular they can give the particular product to them, but they will not give the blueprint. Because so if they give the blueprint, so the particular knowledgeable person can able to replicate the particular product in their own workshops. So basically mechanical companies or in particular product design companies or infrastructure companies will not give their blueprint of their construction equipment and machineries. And next, like geographical indications, GI tags. So for items tied to a specific location heritage. So this particular geographical indication is a big hot topic right now in the world. So for a particular location where the particular plant or particular skilled labor are available. So for that location, they will apply for geographical indication tax. So coming to sandalwood, the best quality sandalwood is grown in Chittoor district only. So this particular this particular sandalwood will have a geographical indication tag for its quality. And for a particular place like Pochampalli, we'll have skilled labor over there to manufacture Pochampalli sarees with their skills, with their designs also. So this particular geographical indication tag will be given for a place or for a given plant or for a particular rice, like even for food types also. For food also, it will give geographical indications. Skilled labor, plants, trees, and designs. They will apply for geographical indications to safeguard to protect their particular rights in the businesses. And next, integrated circuit layouts. So even like electronical companies, they entirely relate on integrated circuit layouts. Okay. So they like for a particular who are buying the particular electronic products, they will only give the particular they will give the only assembly of the components. They will label the components. They will not give connections. They will not display the connections to the particular customer who are buying the products. They only label the they only label the particular circuits. They only label the components for the product. They will not give their integrated circuit layouts. So for the physical design of microchips, this particular integrated circuit layout will be there. For manufacturing, what are the particular things are required for manufacturing? Those things will not be exposed. They will not be revealed to the particular real world. So to protect from copycats manufacture their products. Let us break down with a tech background. So if you see into the modern smartphone companies, if it considers modern smartphone company, so the technology behind uh, internal 5G antenna, the internal 5G antenna present in a smartphone is patented. The particular smartphone company will have a patented for their particular 5G antenna used in their particular device. And next, a mobile operating system. For mobile operating system, they will have copyright. They will have copyrighted. The Apple OS, the Apple company, have a copyright for Mac OS. Apple Mobile will have copyright for Mac OS. Only particular Apple phones only will use Mac OS operating system. And this the Google published Android OS will be licensed to other organizations, like other brand companies other than Apple. Other brand companies are there, like such as Samsung, Motorola. They will license these particular companies for their Android OS. And next, for brand name, for a particular let us consider Samsung brand name and its logo or trademark. For Samsung brand name and its logo will have trademarks. And the particular search optimization, there will be a technique in the mobile for optimization algorithm for searching a particular file, for searching any particular application. They will use some algorithm for search optimization. This special thing which is present in Samsung mobile will have kept on internal servers. What are the particular such optimization algorithm kept on internal servers will have trade secret. They will not reveal their particular internal servers details. Internal server details are there. trade secret. And next, the physical appearance, the hardware appearance, like such as phone chassis. So these are having protected with industrial design, the appearance and curved display. So for few duration, this will have industrial design for their physical appearance. After few days, anyone can able to use this particular phone chassis and physical curve designs with respect to the particular like other companies observation. So, but this Samsung will not share this particular industrial design with anyone. So by reverse engineering, they can able to perform it, but Samsung will not issue this particular industrial design for them. And next, architectural blueprint. Architectural blueprint of chip, silicon processing chip, protected under integrated circuit layouts.